Good afternoon. It's not good morning, it's good afternoon. It's almost 3 o'clock. I'm on my way to pick up my daughter from school. What have I been doing today? Well, do you really want to know? I finished my hair, mostly. I did the retie. I finished the retie. And then, you know what's so annoying is the loose hairs. I still have the loose hairs. They're everywhere. And that's really annoying. Oh, today is oh, the heat. I just put the heat on. Today's Wednesday, December 12th. And yeah. So the loose hairs are still in there. So what I did was I went back through my whole head after I did the retie, thinking it was going to be just a quick and easy process to just twist in or like roll my fingers with the lock gel and then like kind of roll the loose hairs into the twist like I did before, but without concentrating on the roots this time. And it took forever. I said I didn't want to do my hair today on my day off. I didn't want to use my day off to do my hair. Come on now, get that shadowing. So anyway, here we are. Still had to use my time. I finished the mantle for the most part. I'll insert what it looks like right here. I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree because I'm thinking I might want to add a few more ornaments, but I'm not sure. I need to see what the ornaments in the Dollar Tree look like. If the ornaments in the Dollar Tree are small and cute enough and I just want red, then I will add. This person's backing up. I don't know why. Then I will add them. If not, I'm gonna cut the strings that you might see hanging there, and then that's gonna be it. The other thing, oh yeah, I did count my hair. I counted my my twists, my microlocs, and guess how many I have? You gonna guess? Guess first. No, that's corny. I have 400 locks. 400 microlocs exactly. I couldn't believe it. So when I was adding them up, I did like the whole front section. I counted the back, I had 220. I counted the front, I had 180. I'm like, wow, that's such an even number. Total 400. And secretly, like in my head, I really was trying to get to 400 when I first started. So I think that's kind of the number I had in my head for some reason. And then the sizing is just perfect now. I'm so good with it. I changed it twice since I installed them, and I'm not touching it. No more to do that again. Just the maintenance, that's it. Just retying, retwisting, styling, normal stuff. No taking locks apart and resizing them. That's done. So what else do I want to talk about? I got my list over here so I don't forget anything. I might have forgot what to write down, but let's see. Oh, I gotta go to the grocery store today. That's one thing I want to just tell y'all. I just want to complain because I hate going to the grocery store. Like, absolutely hate the grocery store. And I never go there. My husband buys all the groceries on his way home from work. Since I work from home and he's already out, he'll stop at the grocery store on his way home, bring home all the goods. We talk to Alexa, tell her what to put on the list, and he gets it. It's just the perfect thing. But when I have days off and I need to make certain things and I have to go to the store, oh, I don't be happy. Not about that anyway. And what else? Oh, I gotta go to Costco, but I might put that off because we just need, like, you know, paper goods and stuff. So and then today so Costco is question mark. We have choir practice tonight, so I doubt I'm going to Costco. If I'm going to do any running around, I like to do that if I'm have my day off. I don't want to have my kids with me when I'm doing that. So now that I'm picking them up, the only thing I'm going to do is what I have to do, and that's go to the grocery store. I think we're having salmon. Yeah, we're going to do some salmon, asparagus, and baked potatoes. That's going to be dinner. And I wanted to let y'all know that my daughter, she tried out for regionals which is like this instrument thing that I was explaining a few vlogs back. I think it was December 2nd. And I said I didn't want her to make it, really, because I didn't know what it would involve for me. And she didn't make it. Now, I don't believe in no jinxing stuff. I don't believe in that at all. So I didn't cause that. I didn't wishful think that. I didn't speak that. That's just the reality. She didn't make it. I'm not mad, because I was even asking her, like, what was it? What exactly were you trying out for? She didn't know. She didn't know. She just wanted to do something, and she wanted the accomplishment of doing it. But she got this close to making it. So her band teacher was telling her she'll probably make it next year. So I'm pretty sure she's going to try out again. We'll see. And next year she's likely to make it. She's a very good instrument player. So that's the scoop on that. What else? Oh yeah, I made the thank you cards for my daughter's party in Photoshop on my computer. I put the words that, you know, we talked about, what I was gonna print on each picture, because I took a group picture of all the girls at the skating rink, and I said I was gonna use the picture as a thank you. So that's what I did. I put the picture in Photoshop and I put the words on there, thank you very much, whatever, and then I'm gonna print them out at Staples, and I'm gonna mail them to all the girls, and they'll have like a nice group picture of how they looked when they were all together, you know, having a great time. Anyway, my daughter's about to get in the car right now. She's walking with this guy. Don't what? What you talking about? You want me to turn the camera on you? What is he talking about? Does he know I'm recording, or is he just talking?
Probably not.
Then what's he saying? Don't. What's wrong with this guy? Anyway.
Yeah.
So, girly girls here. Hey girl.
Hey.
And yeah, so like I said, all that's going on, and I'm not gonna, obviously this is just a little video diary, because I don't be doing nothing. Come on, put your seatbelt on. Can't be having that beeping on my video, you know what I mean? You gotta be putting that seatbelt on. Okay. I made the thank you cards. Well, the thank you picture. I can show you. I have it saved in my phone, because I want to go to Staples, and instead of sending it to them, because I wanted to print out like a picture, and I want to make sure it prints out right. So I want to take it over there and talk to the people, and print it out right then and there, and then I'll mail them either tonight or tomorrow. And also I need to go to the grocery store. I don't like going there. But I'm just gonna get the stuff we need to cook for tonight, and then a few extra stuff, because whatever items are in Alexa right now, I'm gonna grab those. But we don't need a full thing of groceries. We just, like, you know, we're not doing a full shopping. We got most things. We're doing asparagus and salmon and baked potatoes.
Let's go. That's the best thing.
Daddy also mentioned tacos, but
we could have tacos.
Booba's having tacos for lunch. He had tacos for lunch today, so I didn't want to duplicate that. So see y'all later. Okay, so while we're sitting here at my son's school waiting for him to come out, I need to mention I don't think I finished explaining what I was doing to my hair. So I retwisted all the spots, all the twists really. I went through and just rubbed the lock gel over each one of them to try to roll in the loose hairs. And I did everything except for this middle section right here. So I got this whole section to do. Let me see if I can show you what the sides look like. Here's the top, of course, the unfinished part. It's retied, it's just not, it's not rolled with the lock gel. Okay, and then what I also did, I think, when in my update from yesterday, I was saying that I never interlocked the front line of my hair, and I still did not. So I'm just twisting the front line of my hair every time for now, because these spots are so very, very, very small, and I don't want to put the tension of the retie on my hairline. So I'm just gonna keep them rolled for the most part, or just like looking kind of like loose hair. So almost like if I pull my hair back, if the front edge is grown out, I want it to look like loose hair, so it kind of lays flatter. And then when it gets retied, I'll twist it. My goal is to let it lock, but in a twisted lock, not a retied lock. So that's the final update for now. I'm not going to give another update until at least another month goes by. I'll say I'm at 3 months right now, technically, give or take. So if I have any hairstyles that I do, I'll share those maybe through pictures or whatever. And maybe throughout Vlogmas if I do change my hair. But I'm not going to do much more of updates. Like, I don't think I'm going to do monthly updates. I'll probably just do like 6 months or something like that. Anyway, enough about my hair. I'm not talking about it anymore for a little while. So I'm taking these clips out and I'm done with it. Toodaloo. I'm getting some turkey too. I like making sandwiches too. Okay? Would you go up for you, please?
That's Bob. And that right there.
You said this one is Gerald.
That's Robert Leisha. That's Robert Laird. That's Robert.
Okay, so as expected, went to the grocery store and got way more than I thought I was gonna get. But that's usually how it goes. So I'm gonna do a quick haul and show you the items. So we got some bread, hoagie bread, and these little small, kind of like sandwiches. You can make little mini sandwiches out of them. I'm not explaining who eats what. I'm just going to show you the stuff. Baby crispy green leaf lettuce, sweet baby lettuce, and baby arugula. Arizona in the individual bottles. A pineapple, sourdough nibblers, mini pretzels, deli ham, deli turkey, and deli American cheese. This huge pack, 3 pounds of salmon. Overpriced, but we love it. Spaghetti sauce, 2 Italian sausage and garlic, 2 traditional, and 2 roasted garlic and herb. Individual bags of Cape Cod chips, sparkling rosé, grape juice. Snapple peach iced tea, 2 more Snapple peach iced tea. Snapple kiwi strawberry, golden eggnog, asparagus, 2 packages of these russet potatoes for baking, 3 Haagen-Dazs ice creams, white chocolate raspberry truffle, mint chip, and chocolate chip. Some cans of Progresso soup, chicken and wild rice, hearty minestrone, same, chicken noodle, Ritz crackers, 2 boxes of penne pasta, 2 boxes of angel hair pasta, 2 honey teriyaki sauces, another can of minestrone soup, and that is it. So I'm gonna put all this stuff away, cook our meal, eat, and go to choir practice. I'll see y'all tomorrow.